इधर आओ जाओ सबके आ
Hey,
जाओ
it's okay, video, it's video.
वीडियो वीडियो
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम सर खैरियत
Fixing
ये
motorcycle.
बाइक दिखाओ बाइक
Hello, hello. Fixing motorcycle. Hello.
हेलो हाय पता नहीं लिफ्ट ही नहीं है सेट हो और क्या लेके आऊँ बस मैं आ रहा हूँ मैं कोशिश करके आ जाऊँगा बेटा आ रहा हूँ ठीक है मेरे दोस्त मैं आ रहा हूँ
For the next couple of days in Gilgit, I focused on getting things back in order. The motorcycle needed some electrical work, so I had the wiring repaired and made sure the lights were functioning properly. With that taken care of, I stayed in a guest house just off the main road. It was a calm, quiet place. It was a chance to rest, reset, and prepare for the next part of the journey.
If you would like to know more about my experience over the past 5 decades, learning and using more than 30 languages around the globe, with adventures in 101 countries so far, then please visit my website, polyglotdreams.com. There you will find my memoir, A Life in 30 Languages, translated in various languages and integrated with audio and dual readers to offer a great way to improve your target languages.